Good morning. This video is going to show you how to fill out writing book number 3. The directions say, circle the errors in each sentence, rewrite each sentence correctly. Remember, an error is something that is wrong in the sentence. I'm going to show you 2 or 3 on this page of how to do that. Number 1 says, I like to eat apples and drink apple juice. So right away, I notice I do not have a capital letter at the beginning and I do not have punctuation at the end. I'm going to make a circle there at the end just to show that there is something missing. Also, I can see the word apple is on here twice. I have A-P-P-L-E-S for apples and A-P-L-E for apple. So I know that one of those is probably correct and one is not correct. And the one I believe to be correct is the first one, A-P-P-L-E-S. So I'm going to circle apple, A-P-L-E. I'm also going to circle E-E-T, eat, because I know that eat is spelled E-A-T. Now I will rewrite the sentence correctly. I will start with a capital I. I like to eat, E-A-T, apples, A-P-P-L-E-S, and drink apple, A-P-P-L-E, juice. Period. Number 2, do you jump in the leaves in the fall? Again, I notice no capital letter at the beginning. Ooh, where'd that go? And I notice there's no punctuation at the end. As I'm looking, I also see do you, Y-E-W, and I know Y-E-W is not the correct way to spell you. Also, at the end, we have the word fall, and when we're talking about the season of fall, like winter, spring, summer, fall, that needs a capital letter. Remember, that is a proper noun from when we talked about proper nouns. So now I will start to rewrite my sentence. Capital D, do, Y-O-U-U, jump in the leaves in the capital F-A-L-L, fall. Now I'm going to read it again. Do you jump in the leaves in the fall? Whoever's asking this question wants an answer. That means it's a question mark because it is a question. They're not telling me something. They're asking me something. I'm going to skip number 3 and go down to number 4. During the fall season, the geese fly south. Again, I need a capital letter at the beginning and a period at the end. Fall should be capitalized since, again, it's talking about the fall season. And I also noticed that fly doesn't look quite right. So capital D, during the capital F, fall season, the geese fly, F-L-Y, south. During the fall season, the geese fly south. It sounds like I'm telling someone something, so I'm going to give it a period. I'm going to leave number 3 and number 5 for you to do. When you post this, I do want to see 1, 2, and 4 done as well. So make sure that you follow along and do those with the video maybe, or do them at the end when I'm done, but I do want to see those done. I don't want to see them blank. Number 3 says, what is your favorite apple snack? And I'll give you a hint there. Whoever's asking that, they want an answer. So what type of punctuation would that be? And number 5, football games are fun to watch. And that also could have 2 different types of punctuation, depending on how you're reading it. But I'll give you a hint. It's not going to be a question mark. They're not asking you anything. So you're going to have to think about the other 2 types of punctuation we've talked about this year. So that is how you fill out writing book number 3. If you have any questions, please give me a call or send me a message.